Here I have OPPO A94 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select slow mode. And now you can record videos in slow motion. So let me record something, I don't know, I'm gonna record this flower riding on the table and then show you how it looks in slow-mo. One more shot. Okay. So look at this. Whoa! Unbelievable, yeah? So slowly. Let's make another round. Awesome, insanely cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.